Meaning of Dagwood sandwich. Dagwood sandwich. Dagwood sandwich.
Dagwood sandwich. Dagwood sandwich. A Dagwood sandwich is a large, multi-layered sandwich that typically contains a variety of meats, cheeses, vegetables, and condiments. The name comes from the comic strip character Dagwood Bumstead, who was known for creating and eating such sandwiches. The exact ingredients can vary, but a typical Dagwood sandwich is often several inches tall and can be difficult to eat in one sitting. Despite its size, it is a popular sandwich option in many delis and restaurants.